Good morning. Today we did an oil change, regular maintenance, check all the fluids and suspension and things on a 2014 Toyota Prius. This should work on all Priuses this year model to reset the maintenance light. Go ahead and in the center of the dash there is the km/h/mile/per hour selection button, which is this one right here where my finger is. You're going to locate that button, okay, and look at the dash. What you'll do is push that button and hold it while pushing the power button and turning the car on. Once you do that, you should see a screen that says resetting maintenance data. And there you go. And I'll do it one more time. So we turn the car off. All right. We locate the km/h/mile/per hour selection button. We push that and hold it. We go ahead and we push the power button to turn the vehicle on. And the screen will say resetting maintenance data. Once everything is highlighted, it will reset it to 0. And it'll say complete. There we go. Have a wonderful day and hope that helps. Thank you.